Hello everyone, my name is Anyi Aldana. Today I will present the workshop 3 pronunciation practice. Okay, the first, in this sentence it tells us that we must mark the syllabic stress, so the ones that are underlined in red are the syllabic stress. In this, the airplane taxied down the runway before taking off. Okay. The second, it tells us that we must mark the word stress in the phrase, just as before. These are underlined in red. This. The airplane circled around the airport, waiting patiently to receive permission to land. Okay. Now, the three, we must pronounce this text according to what we learned before. The moon is a barren, rocky world without air and water. It has a dark lava plain on its surface. The moon is filled with craters. It has no light of its own. It gets its light from the sun. The moon keeps changing its shapes as it moves around the earth. Okay, that's all. Thank you very much. Bye bye.